Hello, welcome. So today I'm going to teach you how to convert your PDF file into a Word document. So first, you're going to open any search engine that you have and search file converter. You search, and then there are many websites here that going to allow you how to do that, but we are going to use onlineconverter.com, and so we're going to click that one. And then after you open it, you're going to find the PDF to Word section, which is here, and we're going to click again that one. And then after, you're gonna see a section where it says that choose file, and you're going to click that and then browse or whichever section that your file is saved into. And mine, I'm going to use the browse, and then search a file that you would want to convert into Word, and then choose that one. After uploading, you're going to click the start button, and you see it's still processing. After seconds of processing, and then there you are. You're going to see download button. I'm going to click the download, which is a green button. Click download, and then there you go. On the right corner of your phone, you're going to see that your file is downloading. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something, and make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you at the next one, and have a great day.